Hey, and welcome to this new video in tutorial of mastering Git and GitHub. So as we know, in the previous video we create an issue. So here it appears to us that the issue, we have one issue. If we go to see that issue, we need that add a new readme file. So if we go back to here, let not add it, but just update the gitme file that we already have. So where is the readme file? Here is it. Let's click on it. Click on edit. Learn about tag. Let's click, for example, update. Just update. That's it. Here, message of commit. Let's update in readme file. Let's commit the change. And here it is. It's now it's saved. Let's go to the issue. So now we suppose that this is what the issue, for example, this issue is created by, for example, the chief project or our software computer lead, and he give me this issue to solve it. And for example, I solve it with code, or I add something, or basically I solve this problem or this issue. So now I need to close this issue so that I can tell him that I finish my job, or I did my job perfectly and correctly, and now no need to this problem to appear anymore. So we go to the issue, we click on it. So now if I go to the issue, I write him that I fixed the problem, I fixed the issue or the problem, and I click don't write like for me BP, like the whole word problem, like with the professional email or professional comment. So close and comment, and you will see this it changed, or the label it changed from open to close. Now if I go back and click on issue, I will see that there aren't any issue, and we have just one issue which is closed because I fixed the problem. So this is all for this video, and see you soon.